In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make holes and remove material in Onshape CAD. So first things first, I'm inside my project right here, and to get started, you want to click on the layer of the shape that you want to make a hole with. In my case, it's going to be this simple box right here. Click on new sketch, and then I'm going to name this sketch hole. From there, you then want to click on the check button. Right after, I'm going to insert a circle onto our sketch right here, so it's going to be the center point circle. I'll click on the center right here. Of course, you can measure this, but to make our tutorial easier, I'm just going to place my circle on the side right here. From there, I'm just going to click on the check button, and we are good to go to make this circle. So just click on the extrude button, click on the extrude right here, and we have multiple extrude to choose from. Basically, what you want to go ahead and do is to click on the remove, and it will dug a hole onto our shape right here, as you can go ahead and see. So you can adjust this depending on your shape. I'll make it 5 inches to make sure that it perfectly cuts a hole all throughout my shape right here. And so guys, that is the most basic way on how you can cut a hole or cut a material here on Onshape CAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.